All right, what's going on? Hey, just got done with the first yard of the day. We're in November, it's fall, grass is dormant. I'm not cutting grass, but I'm cutting leaves. Which is I'm mulching them. I got me some mulching blades and I've been mulching the leaves and the pine needles. Pine needles, if it's a lot of pine needles, I'm gonna ask the customer, you know, just due to the amount of pine needles you have on the ground, would you rather me blow them around the trees? Because if I mulch them, it's very noticeable. You know, and they're like, oh, okay, yeah, just blow them around the trees. You know, if they want them bagged, then it'll cost more. So right now, what's the cost for mulching leaves and pine needles? It's the same cost as I'm mowing their lawn. But I'm just mulching. So on the invoice, I put fall maintenance, mulching pine leaves and pine needles, string trimming and edging if needed. Because I won't edge and string trim, y'all. All right, for this fall cleanup, all right. Because grass is dormant, there ain't nothing to edge, there ain't nothing to string trim around the house or a fence. But if it's needed, I'll get out the edger and string trimmer and just do that service. But it's the same price, y'all, as mowing their lawn. It keeps the customer, they don't mind you coming out every 2 weeks, you know, like on a regular schedule, you know, because you're still maintaining their yard by just maintaining the leaves and the pine needles, you know, from like overtaking their lawn. So, but anyway, I just got done with the one lawn. I'm about to do the next one. It's just mulching, y'all. That's all I'm doing. But so let me go and take you back to the first lawn I just mulched. All right, I got my eye pro, and for ear pro, I got my little buds inside my ears so I can listen to some music. All right, those the big Work Tunes ear pro I had, the ones that stick out, the real puffy ones, they don't work no more. I think due to the wiring getting caught by branches trying to go underneath trees, I think we just snagged the wires and I can't hear nothing out of them no more. But anyway, so there I go, y'all. So what I didn't show you was me blowing the leaves away from the fence. So that fence you see to the right, those leaves right there, they're on the other side of the fence, so they're not. Don't let that fool you, okay? But so I blew the leaves away from the fence, away from the trees, away from the house. He has a shed right there. That the tripod, I have it on top of his little. There's a patio in the shed. So I blew him away from the shed. So what I do, so I'm doing sections by sections because my phone can't really get the whole backyard. So I just want to show you what I do. So I go around, okay? I don't go in lines, you know what I mean, all the way forward, all the way back. I have to go in squares because what I'm doing, I'm mulching all the leaves to the center. All right, as I'm mulching them to the center, I'm mulching them more. So I don't got regular high lift blades on this mower. I put gator blades, also known as mulching blades, on the mower. They got like little teeth, so they could like eat up the leaves, pine needles, more and turn them into compost for the ground. Because that was what mulch is, y'all. It's compost from like plants, grass, bark from the tree, leaves, pine needles. You just mulch them. That's what mulch is, y'all. You're just mulching them, okay? So don't let that confuse you with the other mulch you put in flower gardens. You know what I mean, like in flower beds, all right? So this is called mulching leaves, mulching pine needles, all right? And you also mulch grass. When you blow it out to the side, it's mulching, okay? So that's what it is, yeah. So it doesn't look real pretty. You don't see really like little pretty lines going back and forth, all right? Because it's really hard to get that when you're just going in circles and when you're going in squares, okay? But the main thing is, y'all, is this is a fall maintenance. I am mulching leaves and pine needles, all right? So that's how I'm saving the customer for an extra 1 to 2 months, mulching pine needles and leaves now for fall maintenance, all right? So they think the Lawncare season is over, but I have them on a regular schedule. When I show up, I tell them, because they're probably thinking, hey, he ain't gonna come, grass isn't growing. But I show up and I shoot them a text if they're not there. So, hello, just letting you know I'm here for fall maintenance to mulch the leaves and the pine needles. And they're like, oh, okay, thank you. You know. So, but anyway, so that's what we're doing now. We're mulching leaves and pine needles. But I hope this is helpful to you. So you have to go in circles, okay? in squares or in circles to eat up all the leaves. All right. Hey, so I hope that video was satisfying to you. Me mulching the leaves. So all I'm doing, y'all, is getting a blower, blow the leaves off the fence in the house. I didn't show it in the video. And then put the blower back on the trailer, get the mower, 0-turn riding mower, push mower, and just mulch them. Mulch those leaves and pine needles, okay? You may have to go around twice, you know. Excuse me. So the price is the same, y'all. But why is the price, you're probably thinking, why is the price the same? You're using more gas, more fuel for the 0-turn, the mower. I am. But then again, I'm not using no fuel for the edger and the string trimmer, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? And plus, I'm saving more time, all right? And also, you're holding on to your customer, you know, as long as you can until the leaves stop falling, you know what I mean? Until they're done mulching them, all right? So you can keep that customer for an extra, like, month or two after the lawn care season, you know what I mean? Because you got the falling leaves and pine needles, man. They keep falling. It takes about maybe like 2 months for them all to fall. All right. And then you got cleaning out the gutters. All right. Shoot, they ain't no more leaves falling. Hey, ask them that you know, you're available to clear out their gutters of any leaves and pine needles or debris. But hey, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. And this video was very satisfying to you, helpful to you, gave you an idea. Hey, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. All right, it really means a lot to me and my family. All right. This is our lawn care side hustle / LLC. We made this this channel, you know what I mean, just to share our what do you call it, our journey in this lawn care, this little lawn care thing we got going on. All right. Our pros and cons, our do's and don'ts. You know, we just want to share with you on this channel. But hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.